Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing the topic accounting with drones. In this presentation, we'll be exploring the benefits, challenges and regulations of incorporating drones in accounting process. In the first slide, we'll be learning the benefits of using drones for accounting. As you can see, the first point is easier accessibility. Drones can easily access hard to reach locations, saving time and simplifying the auditing process. Now, when we compare the drones with a human, it's obviously smaller. That's the main reason why drones can fit into hard to reach locations. Drones offer a convenient solution for reaching challenging locations, streamlining the auditing process, and saving valuable time. Now, coming to the second point. The second point is precision. Drones offer an unprecedented ability to accurately survey large areas and detect oddity in financial reports. This point states that drones have the capability to survey extensive areas with precision, whereas human cannot do it. So drones are very useful in this particular task and detect oddity in financial reports. Oddity refers to irregularities or mistakes in financial reports. Drones can easily identify oddity in financial reports. Now, coming to the final point. The final point is improved safety. Using drones in accounting allows human auditors to avoid risky conditions and improves safety for all parties involved. As mentioned in the first point, drones can easily access hard to reach locations, whereas humans can't do that. So, drones are more effective and useful in risky conditions than humans, and it improves safety for all parties involved. So, basically, drones save lives and it saves human resources. Now, coming to the second point, challenges in implementing drones for accounting. In this, the first point is battery life. Battery life of drones is a concern. While performing complex surveys, longer battery life will improve its applicability. In this point, it states that now if a drone has to do a complex survey of 7 to 8 hours, it needs to have proper charge so that it gives you the correct information. Longer battery life will improve its applicability. Now suppose if the drone has to do a survey of 8 hours, the drone needs to have the battery life of 10 hours just in case for safety. If it has 10 hours, it will improve its applicability and it will give you the correct information. Now coming to the second point. The second point is cost. Initial investment on drones and their maintenance could be considerably high. Looking at the long-term benefits, it could be justified. Now, if you guys need to buy a drone, it's gonna cost around 10k or 15k. So the starting maintenance of the drones will be very high. But if you check the long term benefits, it could be justified. Like you don't need to move your human resource to risky locations. All the work will be done by the drone itself, and it is more accurate than human because it's a machine. It will give you more accurate information. So there is no problem in investing on drones. Now, coming to the third point, data management challenges. Data captured through drones must be easily integrated for analysis and accounting management utilizing big data and LOT analytics. Now, if the drone collects information and analysis, it should be easily understandable for the accounting management so that they can use it for future analysis, or they can store the data. Now coming to the third slide, regulations for using drones in accounting. FAA Part 107. Commercial drone flights are subject to FAA regulations requiring approval and adherence to their aviation safety rules. So this point states that if a company or a firm needs to use drones in their respective industries, it needs the approval of FAA Part 107, and it should always obey the safety aviation rules. Now coming to the second point, insurance. Insurance coverage requirements and details will depend on drone usage and specifications. Now, in this point, it states that the insurance coverage requirements will depend on drone usage. Now, if the drone is sent on a particular task, the insurance will check on what task it has been sent and it will cover the requirements. Now, coming to the third point. The third point is privacy loss. Information from drone usage is subject to privacy and security regulations and should be compliant with existing laws. Now, if a firm wants to use drone, they can use it, but it has to obey the existing laws and it has to follow the rules. Then itself they can use drone. Now coming to the fourth slide. The fourth slide is nothing but conclusion and future prospects. First point is improved accuracy. Drones can improve accuracy in auditing process and make it more efficient. Compared to human, most of the people trust machines. So drones can improve accuracy and the work and it can save time of human resource and do the work fast. Second point, increased efficiency. The utilization of advanced technologies like drones can improve overall efficiency in accounting. Now, compared to human, the efficiency is more in drones. In future, when the firm starts to use technologies like drone or any other softwares, so obviously the efficiency will be more. So it is a good thing for the firm to use advanced technologies. Now, coming to the third point, future developments. Drones with and ML capabilities can be developed to add in more automated analysis to accounting practices in the near. Now, drones with AI. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence, and it can be developed to add in more automated analysis. Means it can be updated into more and more, so that it will be more helpful in accounting practices. And of course, future developments also includes like expanding the battery life or increasing the battery life, and the speed. The speed is also one of the main factor in future developments where the companies can concentrate. So these are the few points where future developments can be concentrated. So these are the conclusions and future prospects for accounting with drones. Now at the last, I just want to thank my friends who helped me to create this presentation, Kelvin, Tarun, Astil and Sanjeev. And I also want to thank our class teacher, Dr. Kumaraswamy sir, for giving us this opportunity.